Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Malika, and it's a beautiful morning in my village. I just woke up, guys. I'm not feeling too well. I had I had signs of a flu, but I don't have a flu. I think flu was showing signs of attacking me, but it didn't succeed in Jesus' name. So I just woke up in the morning, and this is a typical morning in my village. I want to show you how things are. First of all, my parents are top dressing our crops, with fertilizer, or putting fertilizer on the crops. So we were supposed to wake up very early, but I really woke up feeling tired. So I just told my parents and the rest to go. I'm joining them in a few. So they are already in the farm. They have already done the compound farm, so they are in the other farm. I'm supposed to join them right now. I just want to show you a morning routine in my home. Actually, in my home, how things are done in my home. So I just woke up. My small sister is here today, being on a Sunday. We worship on Saturdays, so today is not our church day. My small sister has already swept the house and arranged the sitting room. Let me show you. I didn't get that because of course I was still sleeping. So this is our sitting room, guys. These are my things. I put them here from my room. It's my sweater and my power bank. Let me just remove them from there. I put them here. So this is our sitting room. This is how it looks like. Just a simple village sitting room. So guys, this is our sitting room. It's already swept. This is how it looks like, our simple sitting room. Yes, this is it. So the utensils have to go out also. For someone who is not going to the farm, is the one who is always in charge of washing the utensils and preparing tea. But since today we are not going to dig, we're just going to put fertilizer, so that one doesn't take a lot of time. And this is our compound farm. This is my dad's shop, my son's room. Yes, this is Nelly. Nelly, say hi to people.
Hi guys, good morning guys, welcome to Malika Kenya. We just woke up.
Yeah, so you're going to wash utensils?
Yes.
Yeah, so she's going to wash the utensils as the rest are in the farm. I think I'm going to the farm a little bit, but also my other sister is going to prepare tea for us. Where is Betty? She's coming. So Betty is going to prepare tea for us, and Nelly is going to wash the utensils. She has already swept the house and arranged the house. So yeah, I just want to show you what my parents are doing at the farm. And this is Betty. She just woke up. She's going to be in the department of preparing tea for us. Salimia watu.
Hi guys.
What? You don't have anything to tell them?
Subscribe to Betty Ngwa. Yeah.
Our channel is right here. So what are you going to do this morning?
I'm going to prepare tea.
Where are Akina Mom?
At the farm.
Yeah, so this is my sister, guys, who also has a YouTube channel. If you can go over to her channel and subscribe to support her, please support her. She's also doing amazing work here in the village. So if you get a chance to support her, if you see her content and love it, please subscribe and tell her you're from Malika, Kenya. Yeah. Okay, you make tea for us, and this is me. So my parents are in the farm. I'm late as always. I was tired. I wasn't feeling. I'm not sick. Oh, and my son also, today being on a Sunday, he hasn't gone to school. He's also in the farm. His name is Alois. I'm not supposed to go with. Hey, yeah. They're almost finishing. So guys, this is the farm that they are putting the fertilizer. So they're over there. Oh my God, I'm late. This is crazy. This is crazy. So let me show you what they're doing. This is our crops, which are not really doing well, but at least we will get something. That is our house from behind. That is our neighbor's upcoming house. So for top dressing, usually, oh, look at this. These are kunde. Do you know kunde? These are veggies actually. For top dressing, guys usually do it as a family without any help. So they are putting manure. You can see. This is what they are putting. See this? This is what they are putting. When it rains, it's going to like dissolve. This is what they are putting. Can you see that? So as I was saying, when we are doing the manure thing only, like usually we don't get help. We do it as a family. But when we are digging, preparing the farm for farming, like digging up, removing the weeds and everything, we get like 2 people to help us and to make the work easier, you know, because the farm is big. This farm kind of big, a little bit big or kind of big, yeah. So these are our neighbors' crops, plants. Another neighbor here. My parents are over here. My mom has some groundnuts over here growing and some cassavas. So here, these are groundnuts. My mom planted them, I don't know when. I think I was away because I don't live here, by the way. I only come here. Yo. You see? They're almost done. I'm just joining when they're almost done, but it's okay. Okay, so I don't know if I'm supposed to pass here. This is just too rough, eh? Here we are. Good morning.
Morning.
What are you doing today?
We are working to the shamba.
We are working to the shamba. This is fertilizer. What type of fertilizer is this, Mom?
CN.
This is CN. Let me see. Are you mixing with something else?
No.
Just putting CN. You're not putting DAP?
At DAP we put it.
Oh, potassium nitrate. And we have this boy here. Alois. No, this is Alois, eh? Alois selling yako wapi?
Hello guys.
Mhm.
I'm putting here
Fertilizer. Yeah, this is Alois for those who don't know him. He woke up very, very early and joined my parents in putting fertilizer. Let me see your head. Ah, nice. So, Mom, mebakisha wapi? Hii line? Hapa, kwa miogo. So, and this is my mom also. You have seen them. This is how she looks like when she's coming to the farm. She has gumboots. Acha niwaonyeshe imevaa gumboot, wajihami. She has gumboots. She has gumboots and her farm clothes, eh? So here in the village, guys, when you're coming to farm or when you're doing farming, you don't dress up to kill, eh? You just come with your clothes. Like, you don't wear your church clothes to the farm. So don't worry, this is how we are looking. We're just in the farm. And yeah, some people prefer coming to the farm bare feet or barefoot. Some people prefer coming with gumboots. It depends. Yeah. So I'm going to help a little bit, though I'm late, but I'm just going to put a little bit. Guys, the thing is, after they are done with fertilizer, in case it rains today, they are going to start weeding tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. happens is, as soon as you're done with the farm, someone is supposed to bring you tea at the farm or go home, have tea from home. So we are done. Today the work was not so much. I came here, I joined in when they are almost done. So we had this wheelbarrow to carry the fertilizer and everything. And this is the boundary. This is the neighbor's farm. So we are going now home. Have to not be careful of the crops. The boundary is so tiny. Just a small pathway. Ah, let's chicken. Unless you're going to help me. Guys, you see these are cassavas, but a little bit older, and these are still young cassavas. So when you're not planting maize, you do cassavas, as you wait for other season of planting maize, as maize is like a food crop here, planted mostly, both cash crop and food crop, maize and beans. So here we have some sweet potatoes over here, my mom's sweet potatoes here. Yeah, and this is now the fence for our home, and now let's go home. So this is where we get our water from. This is our borehole in our compound, and it also serves as a community borehole. As you can see, this is a boy from my village. He came to fetch water, and tea is going as things are going. Like everyone is busy doing some other things. My sister was busy making us tea. This is our tea. This is how we cook tea, like milk, water, and tea bags. Also, Nelly is cleaning our outside kitchen. This is how the kitchen looks like. She's sweeping actually. We don't mop it every day. This is how the kitchen looks like. Today we were cooking chapatis. So our kitchen is a little bit messy. This is our kitchen. I won't open that window at the moment. So yeah, these are potatoes. We have like two cooking areas. This is one that is commonly not used, and this one is the one that we mostly use. This one, yeah. So this is what we mostly use, and my mom doesn't have firewood apparently, because this area over here is this bicycle thing. It's supposed to have firewood here. This is where you put firewood, but there is no firewood. We just have some little firewood. This one. So I think we'll get firewood later. And yeah, that is our kitchen. The iron sheet's very black. That corner of cooking as well, because we use like firewood, and this is smoke that covers this area. So we also have a jiko here. We use it also for cooking. So we want to mop the kitchen. Then we're sweeping. She's done. I think we'll do the mopping after we have taken tea. Yes, that is a simple morning routine. After we take tea, clean utensils, there's nothing much to be done. Yeah. Wait for lunchtime to prepare lunch. Yeah, that is what we do here in the village. Like, yeah, in case you're many people, the work becomes easier. But when you are few, you take a lot of time doing one thing. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'll show you as we go. And we always have breakfast as a family. This is our sitting room and still acting as dining area. This is where we take our breakfast from. So this is my parents, my mom, my dad, my two sisters, and of course me. We are taking tea with bread. So yeah, this is how simple our morning routine is, and I just love it the way it is. One thing about the village that I love is like coordination, and like everyone has their job. Everyone knows what they are supposed to do at the time they are supposed to do it. So in the morning when you wake up, everyone takes their own task to do it. No one is followed up, like no one will ask you like, have you done your task? Have you finished what you're supposed to do, So yeah. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this part. In case you like this video, please give it a thumbs up as it's very, very important. Also consider subscribing. Join this family as your road to 100K.